Meaning of DFID.
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 FID. DFID stands for the Department for International Development, a British government department responsible for administering foreign aid to developing countries. DFID's focus is on eradicating extreme poverty and promoting sustainable development across the globe. DFID provides financial assistance, technical expertise and support to a wide range of projects including healthcare, education, water sanitation, gender equality and disaster relief. Its work spans across Asia, Africa, the Middle East, the Caribbean, and Latin America. The aim of DFID is to help people in need and create a better, more prosperous world.